Hello again, this is Boo-Poo-Taru. Today I'm going to be demonstrating for you the GPS functionality of the A81-E Witstech Smart MID running Android 2.2, and the GPS program I'm using is Motonav. And so here I am in my vehicle, and I will load up Motonav. I apologize for the reflection of the camcorder, but it's the best angle I can get it at in my car by myself. As you can tell, the GPS has located me already, and the basic menu is pretty easy. You have main menu, which is the destination, route, more, and exit. And so I'm going to show us the example of going to my bank. And also up in the upper right hand corner, you'll notice a new symbol up there, one that is saying that you are connected to the satellites for GPS, which is pretty cool. So we're going to go ahead and hit destination. And here is find address, find place, find on map, and favorites. Which favorites, when you get to a destination that you're going to, you can save it as a favorite, which is awesome. If it's a place that you're planning on going to multiple times, very nice feature. Saves a lot of time. We'll go to find address, and I'm in North America, and so I have Canada, Mexico, and US here. So I'm going to click Canada and select United States. I'm going to go to all states. And I'm in Indiana, so I'm going to type I in. As you can tell, it automatically will pull when you've entered in enough letters that there are no other options. And so I'm going to select Indiana. And then we're going to city name. Now you want to make sure that you just go through this whole process. Like, you can't skip any steps, so it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to hit city name, and then S, H, and if you type in one that you've already gone to, it'll automatically populate. So I'm going to hit yes for Shelbyville, and then go to street name. But you have to remember here to not enter in the house number or the business number. This is, you are entering the street address in here, including directions. So I'm going to South Noble Street. So I'm going to type in S space N O, and up there it automatically populates South Noble. So I'm going to hit OK. And then house number, I'm going to put in, I have to hit Alt to put the numbers in. I'll hit 2, 5, and OK. So now I have the address in. It says 25 South Noble Street. I'm going to hit route. Route planning method. It hasn't set up. I'm going to hit go. And here we go. Let me buckle my seatbelt. I apologize for any shaking of the camera. I do have speed bumps. I do have speed bumps in my apartment complex. I have just the default female English-speaking voice selected. There's also a male English-speaking voice that's kind of default for Motonav. As you can tell on the left side though, on the upper left, it shows you the number of feet and which way you're going to be turning. And the bottom left, it shows you the total miles to the destination, which is 2.4. And also the amount of time it'll take, which is 5 minutes. And also what time you should be able to reach your destination.
Speed limit.
It also recognizes like the speed limit for different areas, thanks to the GPS navigation. And I am using one of the car mounts provided by MaryMobiles.com. It works very well. I've not had any problems with it whatsoever. As you can tell on display, it will pop up the names of streets that you're about ready to intersect with, which is very nice. Like we're now passing Gateway Drive on the right side. This program is also very good at adjusting the directions if you choose to make a turn that's not corresponding to how they want you to go. It will refigure out your route for you, which is nice, especially if there's a detour or something. It'll still let you get there correctly. Also, if you're driving down an interstate, when you're approaching an exit, it will pull up that sign on the display, and if it's where you're supposed to go, it will highlight it. And also, if you're on a multi-lane interstate, when you're approaching your exit that you're supposed to turn off on, when you're approaching an exit you're supposed to turn off on, it will tell you to switch lanes if you need to. So in a half mile, I will be turning left, according to the program. I've been more than pleased with this application. I couldn't ask for a better one. I do love my A81-E. It's been the perfect device for me so far. Thank you, MaryMobiles.com.
You are over the speed limit.
In the settings, you can turn off, I do believe, the warnings about speed limits.
Turn left off quarter of a mile. You are over the speed limit.
telling me to take a left.
Take a right, then arrive at your destination.
I do apologize for the bumminess of the road, but Shelbyville, Indiana is not known for
Take right, then arrive at your destination.
being that big of a metropolis and keeping up on the roads very well. And like it says, we're taking a right.
You have reached your destination.
And I am within half a block of my destination. There we are. So, as you can tell, the accuracy is pretty good on the device. And it worked without a hitch, pretty much. Sometimes it can take a little bit of time, like a minute, to find a location when you first turn it on when you're outside. The important thing is, remember, you have to be outside for it, because the GPS won't reach inside a lot of places. But I hope you've enjoyed this demonstration of the GPS. This is Boo Poo the Tartar signing off. Goodbye.